Hello students, welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology Dosa. Myself Pushpendra Kumar, Assistant Professor in Civil Department. Students, our subject is Air and Noise Pollution and Control. Students, in last lecture we discussed about the topic noise standards and limit value. Today we will discuss on the topic infrasound, ultrasound, impulse sound. Students, let's start infrasound. Infrasound refer to extreme bass waves or vibrations, those with a frequency below the audibility range of the human ear, that is less than 20 Hz. इंफ्रासाउंड वो वेव होती है या वो वाइब्रेशन होता है जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी होती है स्टूडेंट्स, 20 हर्ट्ज से कम. हेंस दीज वेव्स कैन नॉट बी हियर्ड बाय ह्यूमंस. और इसी कारण ये जो वेव्स होती है ये ह्यूमन एयर के द्वारा इनको नहीं सुना जा सकता. दे कैन बी फेल्ट एंड as studies have shown, they produce a range of effects in some people, including anxiety, extreme sorrow, and chills. Infrasonic waves can carry over long distances, thousands of kilometers, and are less susceptible to disturbance or interference than waves of higher frequencies. Infrasound may be produced by wind, types of earthquakes, ocean waves, and certain things such as avalanches, volcanoes, and meteors, etc. Infrasound is especially dangerous due to its strong vibration or oscillation. जो इंफ्रासाउंड होते हैं ये डेंजरस होती है किसकी वजह से, स्ट्रॉन्ग वाइब्रेशन और ऑसिलेशन की वजह से. दे हग द ग्राउंड, ट्रेवल फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेज विदाउट लॉसिंग स्ट्रेंथ एंड आर अनस्टॉपेबल. Furthermore, not much amplitude is needed to produce negative effects in the human body. Therefore, even mild infrasound exposure requires several hours or even days to reverse the resulting symptoms. Waves of infrasound are invisible, but they slap into living tissues and physical structures with great force. The sensation vibrates internal organs and buildings, flattening objects as the sonic wave strikes. At certain pitches, it can explode matter. Example: natural explosion from volcanoes produce infrasonic wave. When Krakatau exploded, an entire island was lifted 100 miles into the air, and windows were shattered 1000 miles away from ground zero. The shock waves affecting both Earth and atmosphere continued for hours. Explosives such as atomic weapons produce infrasound. Zone 1 is ground zero and its destruction. Zone 2 is a powerful speeding sonic wave of reduced air pressure. This concussion blast travels at great distances away from ground zero and few survive its destructive path. यूज ऑफ इंफ्रासाउंड। इंफ्रासाउंड का यूज क्या है? मेडिकल, therapeutic devices. Several studies conducted in Russia and Europe reported that infrasound has therapeutic effects. Infrasound pneumo message at 4 Hz. The progression of myopia in school children can be stabilized. Infrasound phonopheresis Infrasound phonopheresis in antibacterial drugs. In treatment of patient with bacterial keratitis, it is an effective as local installations of the same drugs. Monitoring activities of the atmosphere. Infrasound waves will be influenced by the atmospheric during its propagation, which is closely related with the disturbance of temperature and wind in the atmosphere. By measuring the propagation properties of infrasound waves generated by natural sources, one can detect some characteristics and rules of the large scale meteorological motions. Forecasting natural disasters. Many disasters such as volcanic eruption, earthquakes, landslides, and clean air turbulences radiate infrasound in advance. By monitoring the infrasound wave, we can forecast these disasters. फन फैक्ट्स की बात करें तो एलिफेंट्स हैव द एबिलिटी टू इमिट इंफ्रासाउंड टू कम्युनिकेट एट डिस्टेंस ऑफ अप टू 10 मील्स 12 to 35 हर्ट्ज. इवन टाइगर्स इमिट्स इंफ्रासाउंड. Odd sensation that people attribute to ghosts may be caused by infrasound vibration. Psychologist Richard Wiseman of the University of Hertfordshire. अल्ट्रासाउंड की अब बात करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, तो हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी साउंड वेव्स दैट इज अबव द ऑडिबिलिटी रेंज ऑफ ह्यूमन ईयर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 22 किलो हर्ट्ज, wavelength of about 1.5 mm. Sound cannot be heard but can be emitted and detected by special machines. The speed of ultrasound doesn't depend on its frequency. It depends on what material or tissue it is traveling in. Both the mass and spacing of the molecule and the attracting force between the particles of the materials have effects on the speed of the ultrasound as it passes through. Ultrasound travels faster in dense materials and slower in compressible materials. In soft tissues, sound travel at 1500 meter per second. In bones, about 3400 meter per second, and in air 330 meter per second. Travels freely through fluid and soft tissues, but is reflected back as echoes when it hits a more solid dense surface. When the ultrasound hits different structures in the body of different density, it sends back echoes of varying strength. How does ultrasound work and how to produce images of ultrasound? Ultrasound wave images are produced by a transducer. A transducer is a device that takes power from one source, converts the energy into another form, and delivers the power to another target. In this case, the transducer acts as a loudspeaker or a microphone. It converts electrical signals to ultrasound waves and picks up the reflected waves, converting them back into electrical signals. The electrical signals returned to the transducer are used to form pictures on a television screen. यूजेज ऑफ अल्ट्रासाउंड, मेडिकल डिपार्टमेंट में हम बात करें अल्ट्रासाउंड के यूजेज की, सोनोग्राफी, अल्ट्रासाउंड वेव्स कैन बी बाउंस्ड ऑफ टिश्यूज यूजिंग स्पेशल डिवाइसेज. द इकोज आर देन कन्वर्टेड इनटू ए पिक्चर कॉल्ड ए सोनोग्राम. अल्ट्रासाउंड इमेजिंग और अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफी allows physician and patients to get an inside view of soft tissues and body cavities without using invasive techniques. Ultrasound is often used to examine a fetus during pregnancy or a fetal heart. Ultrasound usually ranges from 1 megahertz 1 million cycle per second to 20 millihertz. This is because tissues absorb higher frequency energy more readily, hence producing fainter images. Pulse echo visualization. The information of objects is obtained by using discrete lines of sight with the transducer position and orientation, which defines the line of sight and the delay of received echoes, which is used to determine the range of the echo producing object. It can be used in a wide range of clinical conditions and is useful in many parts of the body. There are three modes of the pulse echo visualization, that is A mode, M mode and B mode. Doppler effect. Ultrasound based diagnostic imaging technique can be enhanced with Doppler measurement, which employ the Doppler effect to assess whether structure, usually blood, are moving towards or away from the probe and its relative velocity. The principal applications of Doppler effect are in cardiac and peripheral vascular diagnostic specialties. Current qualitative applications involve two aspects of blood flow evolution. Doppler devices are primarily concerned with the detection and evaluation of blood flow disturbances resulting from valve and septal defects. In animals for navigation, bats use ultrasound for navigation. They send out ultrasounds and judge the distance of objects ahead of them or what the objects are. By the received echoes, this allows them to catch flying insects while flying full speed in pitch darkness. Next, communication. Whales make use of ultrasounds for communication purposes. Individual pods of whales have their own distinctive dialect of calls similar to song words. Singing whales are usually solitary males who exhibit it in a shallow, smooth-bottomed area where sound propagates well. They are interpreted as territorial and mating calls. Thanks students for watching. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने ये डिस्कस किया कि इंफ्रासाउंड, अल्ट्रासाउंड एंड इम्पल्स साउंड होता क्या है. ठीक है, इंफ्रासाउंड के बारे में हमने देखा कि जो 20 हर्ट्ज से नीचे जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, इंफ्रासाउंड. ठीक है, इसके एग्जांपल भी हमने देखे और इसका जो इंफ्रासाउंड है इसका यूज कहाँ पे करते हैं. ठीक है, इसके बारे में जो फन फैक्ट्स हैं उनके बारे में भी हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया. नेक्स्ट हमने बात की अल्ट्रासाउंड की. अल्ट्रासाउंड होता क्या है, ठीक है ना, और अल्ट्रासाउंड क्या होता है, ठीक है, किस किस में इसका यूज करते हैं. एनिमल्स में किस लिए यूज करते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन में किसके लिए यूज करते हैं। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। आज के लिए इतना ही।